Hey, what's up guys? Apple has just officially released iOS 26 for everyone. In this video, let me show you how to update. If you're going to update to iOS 26, the first thing you need to check is whether your iPhone is compatible. And here is a list of all the compatible iPhones. Just make sure your iPhone is on the list. Next, before going for update, just take a backup of your iPhone. So if something goes wrong during the process, you can always roll back your data from the backup. You have two options here. You can back up to your computer using the iTunes for completely free, or you can back up to iCloud if you have subscribed for iCloud storage. Next, after the backup, just make sure you have enough space available on your iPhone to download the update. If you don't have enough space, just check out my video for the best way how to free up some space for iOS 26 download. And finally, just make sure your battery is sufficiently charged so the installation process will not be interrupted, or you don't need to have to plug your iPhone during the process. Now let's see how to download and install iOS 26 on your iPhone. I'm on the home screen. Just tap on Settings app. In here, go to General and go to Software Update. Here, look for iOS 26, which is right here. Just tap on Upgrade to iOS 26. Here you will find a summary of what iOS 26 is, and the update size is 13.69 GB. Just tap on Update Now to proceed. Here provide the passcode and the update is initiated. Just follow through the process and it will take about 15 to 20 minutes and you will have installed the new iOS 26. And after the update, if you are updating from iOS 18 to iOS 26, you will see the hello screen. But if you're updating from iOS 26 beta, you might not see the hello screen, which is completely all right. We have successfully installed iOS 26 on this device, and the first thing you are going to notice is the new liquid glass design. You'll find these shortcut buttons and the clock are changed to glass design. And when you try to unlock your phone, you'll find the number bubbles appear with a bouncy animation, which is kind of cool. Another cool customization on iOS 26 is the lock screen clock. Now you can resize it to almost half of the screen and it gives the lock screen a completely new look. And if you go to home screen and control center, you will find the bouncy animation effect is extended to control center, and you will find the liquid glass design everywhere from your music app to toggles in the settings. And the camera app is now completely redesigned with the liquid glass UI. Your home screen icon can now be changed to a clear look after the iOS 26 update. Also, you can match the icon color to your device with just a tap of a button, and there is more. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please let me know in the comments if you have already updated to iOS 26 and whether you like the new liquid glass design. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will catch you in the next video.